ठीक है. So let me show you guys the office. So I'm just showing you the first floor of the office. पुलकित सर है क्या, देखना पड़ेगा. पुलकित सर भी थोड़ी देर पहले यही कर रहे थे, वैसे होम टूर ऑफिस टू करवा रहे थे. So okay, first let me show you the studio which we have. This is studio people. So usually यहाँ पे जो है, you will be finding the desktop, you will have the mic, you will have the CPU under, and the coolest thing about this table, which I really wanted in my house, is that it's adjustable. See that? This is damn cool. Really need to have this in my home. है ना? खड़े के पढ़ा सकते हो आप, बैठ के पढ़ा सकते हो. And now for the beautiful part. It's just finished construction. That is what you have. That's the first floor. That's the first floor. And favorite beanbags. Amazing ceiling कलाकारी. मैं भी पहली बार आया हूँ ऑफिस after the lockdown. So yeah, this is what you see. Beautiful. How's it? Beautiful? Yes or no? Yeah? OP एकदम? Yeah? Okay. Let's find out. Do you guys love beanbag? Do you guys love beanbag? Do you guys love beanbag? I love beanbag. Yeah? See beanbag. 3 beanbags. Yeah? Amazing. Let's go and check the rest of the office. First floor ही देखेंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं देखेंगे. पुलकित सर तो निकल गए बेटा. पुलकित सर तो निकल गए. Yep. That's the rest of the part. So all these shelves will be filled with books. This is the normal meeting. It's just the first floor though. It's just the first floor. इसके अलावा आपके पास second, third floor बहुत सारे हैं. वंशी सर को देखना है, वंशी सर को मेरे ख्याल से बैठे. I think you can see Vamsi sir, but he's in a meeting. That's Vamsi sir for you guys people. I hope you can see his head. He's in a meeting now. You can see that blue shirt. That's Vamsi sir in a very crucial meeting, mostly about investment. I think we should sit here for the rest of the class. What do you guys say? Yep. Amazing. आगे अंदर चलो, निशान जी अंदर जाएंगे ना. शायद हम बाहर हो जाएंगे कंपनी के. हाँ जी वंशी कृष्णा सर ही हैं. आज मैं भी वंशी सर को और सारे लोगों को बहुत दिनों के बाद मिला. I met Pulki sir, I met Vamsi sir today. Of course I could not meet AP sir. AP sir कल आएंगे, तो मोस्टली मैं कल भी आऊँगा ऑफिस and we'll see. ठीक है, चलो. Cool people. So yeah, we are back into the session now. So now people who wants to leave, they can leave, because now my focus will be on the Telegram. ठीक है, boxing bag लगवाना है. Now my focus will be on the doubts people. So hold on, the chat is